Professor Farai Mhlanga has been elected the president of the Southern African Mathematical Sciences Association, Samsa. Prof. Mhlanga, who is currently an associate professor in applied mathematics and the acting head of the Department of Mathematics and Applied Mathematics at the University of Limpopo, will serve the association for the next 2 years.
I felt humbled and I felt an appreciation of the work that I do, because it is through this interaction that I've been with the membership of Samsa, which have resulted in them electing me, recognizing some kind of leadership qualities that are in me, realizing that I can steer the ship forward in terms of organizational structures. So I am a staff member at the University of Limpopo, and I have been attending this conference, and I've been sharing my work at the conference, and colleagues have known that I am from the University of Limpopo. My role as the Samsa president is to foster the collaboration, the research collaboration in mathematics, to organize some conferences for this association, to organize some workshops, some research exchange visits, so that the Mathematical Science Association will be moved forward. So when I am elected, it is a trust in me that I am capable of leading them, but it also extends a recognition to the university where I come from.
The association's members are primarily drawn from Southern African countries and the United States of America, with a few members from the rest of Africa, Europe, and Asian countries. Among other objectives, the Southern African Mathematical Sciences Association seeks to advance mathematical science research and education in Southern African countries, and this is exactly what Professor Mhlanga resonates with.
The association itself currently is running a number of activities. We have what we call the Masamu program. It's some workshops where different researchers come together to discuss mathematical problems, solve mathematical problems with students, together with also the researchers. So it is one way of advancing the mathematics. The other way is to get into some partnership with some established institutes. For example, we are looking at entering into some partnership with the IPSM, Institute of Mathematics, Pure Mathematics and Applied Mathematics. I mean, it's an American institute. And we are also looking into entering a partnership with Mathematical Science Association of America. And recently we also received a communique from Professor Loiso Ngonga, who also is based at VETS. He also wants to enter into a collaboration with us. So all these are mechanisms of trying to ensure that we advance the mathematics field.
Prof. Mhlanga is not only a member and president of the Southern African Mathematical Sciences Association, but he is also a member of the South African Mathematical Society. In addition, he is the principal investigator on the SA-UK University Staff Doctoral Program, Building Capacity in Applied Mathematics, for the year 2020 up till the year 2024, for which he received a grant of $6,249,000 from the Newton Fund, British Council, and the South African Department of Higher Education and Training to train 10 permanent academic staff at South African institutions to acquire doctoral qualifications, which will in turn increase the number of permanent academics with PhDs, while also building supervisory capacity in postgraduate programs. According to the university's Director of Research, Administration and Development, Dr. Thembi Nkosi-Mabila, Prof. Mhlanga's appointment to the Southern African Mathematical Sciences Association cements the role of the University of Limpopo as a leader in research dealing with relevant issues such as sustainable development goals. University of Limpopo, finding solutions for Africa.